In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Oanda to MT5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your Oanda trading account to MetaTrader 5 so you can place trades and see live prices inside MT5. Before you open MT5, there's one crucial prerequisite. Make sure you've created an MT5 trading account inside your Oanda dashboard. This is separate from your general Oanda login. If you haven't created that MT5 account yet, MT5 won't connect, even if your credentials are correct. Once that account is set up and you have your MT5 account number and trading password, you're ready to go. Start by launching MetaTrader 5 on your desktop or mobile device. On desktop, look to the top menu and click File, then choose Open an Account. A window will appear with a search box. Type Oanda into that box. You'll see options like Oanda Corporation or other region-specific servers. Select the server that matches your region and account type, then click Next. Choosing the correct server matters. If your Oanda account is tied to a particular region or labeled as Live or Practice, pick the exact one from the list so MT5 can reach the right login gateway. You'll now be prompted to connect. Choose Connect with an existing trade account. Enter your login, which is your MT5 account number, and your password, which is your MT5 trading password. For server, select the matching Oanda server from the drop-down. Double-check everything before you proceed. A common issue is using a general Oanda website password or an investor password instead of the MT5 trading password. Another is choosing the wrong server when multiple Oanda servers are listed. When everything looks correct, click Finish. If the connection is successful, you'll see your account appear in the Navigator panel under Accounts, and live prices will start populating in the Market Watch window. That's your confirmation that you're connected and ready to trade in MT5. From here, you can open charts, place orders, and manage positions as you normally would. If you don't see prices or your account doesn't appear, glance at the bottom right of MT5 for the connection status. If it shows no connection or authorization failed, verify that your MT5 account was created in the Oanda dashboard, confirm the exact server name, and make sure you're using the correct account number and trading password. Small typos can prevent login. That's it. With your Oanda account linked to MT5, you can analyze markets and execute trades seamlessly within the platform.